Welcome to what is going to be an entire front porch rebuild. We're going to take you for quite a ride with this one. We're going to be showing you start to finish a total demolition and complete rebuild, railing install, column installation, you name it, for this front porch. We're going to do it all here in one straight video. It's going to be the longest video we ever posted, so if you guys have a few minutes and you're interested and you want to watch, here we go. Now pay attention to the way that these are running. They want the boards to run the same way on the new, so we are going to be doing that. I know we're going to get a bunch of comments why we run it this way. Well, they wanted to match the previous existing, so that's what we're going to do. So now that we're doing our demo, got our grunt work going, we're ripping. Now we have to set new piers, columns, posts. In order to do this, we are doing a new block where we have to build up. We are then pouring in new footings where we know we'll be catching more railings. These are the PVC 5x5 rails that have a metal post on the inside. They each hold about 3,500 pounds. That's their max capacity. Now we are doing our 4x4 posts that are going to catch eventual rails. We've poured footings that are 3 foot deep underneath those, and it's sitting on those, and we're fastening them all the way down. The reason we need to add those is rails only run about 8 foot, so we're putting those to split the difference in between. Now it's time to do our frame. We are sitting on our block work with the floor joists. For the doubles, we're installing these beams. We have our Simpson strong tie joist hangers that are for doubles. We're using the nails to go in, and then we're using the 3.5 inch to go all the way in. They're the specific Tico nails for these strong tie hangers. Now we're right here, we're doing our cuts for all of our framing. I'm pre-cutting because I have it all measured. Working by myself at this point, so I'm literally just cutting them and running them. Now we got Pop's back. He's going to help me put the last portion on. Now we have our Budol tape on both our blocking and all of our joists. This is pressure treated 2x10 inch joists. Now I'm framed around the bottom as well because I'm going to be running a deck skirt that's going to match the decking, and then the rim board is going to be 12 inch thick, or 12 inch wide, AZAC. So here it is with all of our deck skirt on. Then we're going to have our AZAC rim, and then we're going to have our TimberTech decking on top. We start by doing our corner and using a hidden fastener and a plug, and then we use our fastening system that are the hidden fasteners. Next, we build our platform step that comes out 18 inches. The reason we went platform steps is we have 6 inches of rise on that, 6 inches of rise onto the actual deck, and then 6 inches of rise into the house. We wanted them all equal, so we go bigger for shorter steps. Now we are picture framing our deck. We have our skill saw out, notching around the posts, or our columns, I'm going 1 inch of overhang with my picture frame all the way around. I miter it, and we do this so you don't see the ends of the boards. Now it's time to run our boards. There is a 1/4 inch of space in between the boards using the spacers that they give you with their hidden fasteners. They're a bit of a pain to work with, but they do work well. Always beat in from all the sides as you're installing to make sure that it's the same in between. Then the last one, space it with a shim all the way around. Now it's time to do our rails. We're doing veranda rails with a black steel baluster. Now we're going to pull off our AZAC wrap that we left on the whole time to keep it clean and to keep it pristine. Now we have our rails installed. Also replace the trim up top, the aluminum. And here is our finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys were able to tolerate all 4 minutes of it. Thanks a lot.